Finally, an amazing internship for all the students out here. You'll be getting 9,000 per month, which is around 1 lakh plus in a year. Yes, you heard it right. We are getting paid internship in this opportunity. Let's cover it in detail. So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. We are talking about the ICAR internship. Now, who can apply for it and what are the categories? Let's cover it. So who can apply for it? You must have qualified BSc, means you have completed BSc or maybe completing in 2026. They have clearly mentioned if you have passed or maybe appearing and will be passed by 2026, you can apply for it. Students who have completed their BSc degree already from the year 2022 to 2025 can also apply, and who will be completing it by 2026, they can also apply in it. Now, what is the criteria and what are the minimum qualification and what are the posts? So you can see these are the posts. So we have for people who have completed BSc Biotechnology, Botany, Life Science, Microbiology, Biotech, and Botany and Bioinformatics. You can see we are getting 9,000 per month stipend. You can see these are the posts. Okay. Now, minimum educational qualification, they are asking that a degree in biotech, botany, and life science, regular full time will be allowed, not any distance learning. Okay. Age limit, they have not mentioned age limit. Let's see if it is mentioned in the upcoming part of the document. Okay. So, there are some reservations also. If you belong to ST, SC, OBD, OBC or PWD, you can attach your certificates and the relaxation will be provided to you. Here they have mentioned minimum physical standards. So they have this thing that as per prescribed by the clause 4. So the duration of the internship is around 1 year. So you'll be getting 9,000 per month. Okay. And here, if you have already completed any other training and having one more experience, means in simple words, if you have completed a similar training previously, then you are not eligible for this training because you are already skilled. Now the selection mode will be based on the uh, marks you have obtained. Okay, your degree, means whatever marks you have scored, just like they'll filter from that. After that, they'll be giving internship to, so preference will be given to the children of deceased employees, medically invalidated and superannuated employees. Mostly I think it is related to retirement and it is related to deceased. Okay. In simple words, who was working, means currently working and due to some reasons got expired, maybe due to any illness or due to any reasons. Okay, they'll be qualified, and then final rank will be prepared according to the category, means whatever category your, it is STSC or OBC, after the certificate verification. Now here you can see there are portals how to register. You have to just click on these links and apply for it and enter all your details. So last date to apply is 15/4/2026, and the certification venue, once you are registered, all the details will be shared to you via email. So make sure to check all the things. So this was the important thing I wanted to share. This is an amazing internship. If you are interested in other events also and internship, you can just navigate to the channel and find all the related videos. This was a quick informative video because deadline is approaching and you need to complete it as soon as possible, means register it. So thank you guys. Have a great day. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel.